Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change battery in Audi A3 key, easy method. Start by locating the seam on the key fob and use a small flat tool to gently pry it open without forcing. Remove the old CR2032 battery and note the polarity, then insert the new battery the same way. Snap the fob halves together, test the buttons, and reprogram if necessary for full remote function. Before you begin, gather a thin flat tool and the CR2032 battery so you avoid fumbling mid-task. Clear a well-lit workspace and lay down a cloth to catch parts. Open the fob gently and inspect the circuitry for corrosion or loose components. If contacts look dirty, clean them lightly. Keep the old battery for safe disposal and handle the new battery by the edges to preserve its life. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making useful car tips. Quick recommendation. I use leak-proof meal prep containers for parts and screws when changing the battery. They keep everything organized and prevent spills while you work, which makes the job far less frustrating. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Gently insert the flat tool at the fob seam and twist just enough to separate the halves without damaging plastic clips. Remove the old battery and note the positive side so you install the replacement correctly. Place the new CR2032 in the slot, press the cover back into place until you hear clips engage, then test locks and trunk release. If the remote fails, reseat the battery and check contacts before assuming programming issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.